Overwhelmed by cubicle curtain maintenance that's vital to protecting patients and staff from hospital-acquired infections? Struggling to keep pace with curtain maintenance intervals when you feel like you don't have enough time and personnel to do the job right? Dread responding to management's requests for curtain maintenance status when you don't have the information readily available? Concerned about making a poor impression on patients when your curtains don't offer a uniform, well-kept appearance throughout your facility? If you answered yes to any of these questions, CubeCare is your solution. With CubeCare's total curtain maintenance service, you gain the team and technology you need to ensure each curtain is cleaned and maintained at the right time, in the right areas in your hospital, and at the right intervals. This way, you can be confident that all your curtains will meet infection control requirements and make your hospital look great to patients and their families. CubeCare gives you peace of mind by taking on the heavy lifting of managing the entire curtain life cycle for you, including curtain installation, removal, cleaning, antimicrobial treatments, repairs, alterations, replacement, and track maintenance. This saves you a lot of time and money while freeing up your staff to focus on patient care and other more productive tasks. And we've developed a powerful new technology that automates each stage of the curtain maintenance process so that no detail slips through the cracks. How can you prove a curtain has been washed at the proper interval? When does a curtain need to be serviced? Where can you find specific curtains in your inventory? Get the answers quickly and easily with the Think CubeCare web portal and mobile app, where you can generate real-time reports on your entire curtain inventory, on demand from your smartphone or mobile device. Now, when senior management asks for a report on the latest curtain maintenance status, you have the most timely and accurate information literally at your fingertips. So, what's involved with CubeCare's total curtain maintenance service? First, we create a unique barcode for each curtain and track that we install and maintain. Then, based on preset maintenance intervals, alerts are generated so that our expert team can ensure timely cleaning, repairs, alterations, and whatever work that needs to be done for each curtain. And if you don't have enough spare curtains on site to use while yours is being serviced, CubeCare will provide spares to help minimize any disruption in serving patients and maintain a uniform look throughout your facility. At any time, you can scan the barcode on the tracker curtain with your smartphone and instantly see that unit's entire history. You can also find out precisely where a curtain is located right now, whether it's in a storage facility or, say, in room 3501B by the window, at our dedicated laundry center, or on its way to you. You'll always know what work needs to be done to each unit and when it should be completed, all at the touch of your fingers. So, with CubeCare, there's no guesswork. There's no time or money wasted trying to figure out how and when a curtain needs to be serviced. That's all done for you. And that means everybody wins. You gain greater peace of mind knowing that all your curtains are compliant. Your facility saves money by minimizing the risks and expenses related to hospital-acquired illnesses. And patients are safer and happier with your hospital service. So, how much time and money can you save with CubeCare's total curtain maintenance service? To request a quote for your facility, call us, and we'll be delighted to walk you through the possibilities.